Hello, I'm Jo, I'm a percussionist, and this is the third in a series of mini spoon playing videos. So if you haven't seen the first two, watch them first and then come back to this one. Okay, so in this video we are going to be playing between our leg and our hand. So as I said before, I'm holding my spoons in my right hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm holding them in my strong hand, and that's the way that I find it's best for me. It may not be the same for you, but generally people hold them in the strong hand. And I find the most comfortable position to play mostly is on the opposite leg. Okay, so see if you can hold your spoons above the opposite leg and then put the other hand over the top like this. Okay, are you in position? Now then, my top hand is going to stay fairly still and my spoons are going to go down, up, 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 down, up. So keep your top hand quite still and move your spoons between your leg and your hand. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. How are you doing with that? If that's feeling okay, we could go double speed. And back to the original speed. Should we go double speed again? And back to the original. And let's go really fast. Brilliant. Okay, let's just give our hands a bit of a rest for a minute. A bit of a shake out. Okay, so another thing that we could try is going from one leg across to the other. This is a bit trickier. So I'm going to start on this leg. I'm going to put my hand over the top, but this hand is going to move a bit more to sort of central really. So we're going to go like this. I'll do it a bit slower. How are you getting on with that one? So we're still going down up, but we're going from one leg to the other leg. If you want a bit more of a challenge, you could go double speed. It's quite a tricky one, that, isn't it? Okay, so have a go at those. Another rhythm that you might want to try is one that I use quite a lot. And if I show it to you fast to start with, it's quite a nice rhythm. Goes with quite a lot of different styles of music. Okay, and we'll do it really slowly. Again, hand over the top, and we're going to go leg, leg, hand, 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 leg. Okay, so it's a bit like we're missing one of the hand beats, isn't it? So instead of going leg, hand, leg, hand, leg, hand, leg, hand, we're missing one leg, leg, hand, 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 leg, leg, hand. Okay, so lots of things for you to practice there. First of all, playing different speeds just between your leg and your hand. Then different speeds going from one leg to the other. again, just going leg, hand, but going across your body. And then the third one, leg, leg, hand, leg, leg, hand, leg, leg, hand, leg, leg, hand. And then actually we could do a fourth one, couldn't we? We could do a really fast little roll to finish. Okay, so have a little go at those and then see if you can make up your own little patterns. So try lots of different combinations of playing between your leg and your hand. You can stick on one leg if you want to, or you can move across, and just see if you can create your own rhythms just moving between your leg and your hand. Okay, have a little practice at that, and when you feel comfortable with it, move on to the fourth video.